미웠어 summer 미웠을 때 내 곁을 들려줘 Oh, it's so good.
Hi guys, we're back to our YouTube channel, and this is our first video, so we are gonna be unboxing this. It's those octopus that you turn around and then it's like a different face on the other side. Let's get started. Let's open it now. Guys, be careful when using the scissors like me. Ate, help me open it, and then let's get started to open it and move it. Okay, Ate just helped me doing it right now, and you see that it's open. And we also have this. Let's see what. Oh yeah, this one's. Oh, there's light blue on the bottom. It's blue. Ooh. Oh, we also have one more here too. Where's the face? Oh yeah, yeah, the face is right here. You can see the face. And so we just opened it. You can see how it's cute. But you didn't see its eyes, but here it's eyes. And we also have a nice mouth. And here's the real texture. So fluffy. So you get the top and you like push it in. So we're gonna. Oh yeah, I can't see. Okay, push down. It's cute. It's working, Ate. It's really cute. Oh, here it is. It's like a weird double triangle thing. Okay, good. I think just help me do it, and
look,
we have it now.
Oh, this one is sad.
Sad.
And then this one is happy.
Yay! You can actually wear it as a hat. Did you know that you could push it? Oh, my head's too big. If you have a small head, you can like open it and push it on your head. Or you can make it like a hat, right?
And then it's like blue, teal.
Push it. I can punch it. It's working.
Like this one.
I just have to get the tentacles and push it down.
Okay, put it here. So we can have a thumbnail.
Okay. How about yours? Sad? Is yours sad?
Yeah. Okay, smile.
It's happy.
No, don't. Just like that. Put it in the middle.
Yeah, so we can see me.
Okay, smile.
And I
So
see mine. Oh, you can see the eyes at the bottom. Funny. Kind of see the eyes at the bottom. We'll be leaving the store name in the description. So I hope you like your first video. Like, subscribe, and turn on the post notifications. Bye!